Hey guys, it's Megan. I decided to do a shopping vlog because I literally have had, I mentioned this in an Instagram story, a specific bag on my mind for quite some time, ever since I saw the picture of it. And I decided to look on the Louis Vuitton website and see if it happened to be in any stores locally. And it just so happens that, you know, it is at a store where I am right now. I'm at the mall. Yes, I am. And yeah, it's the only store in California that has the bag to try on. Now this bag is going to be released tomorrow officially, so I can look at the bag, I can pay for the bag, I can pick it up tomorrow, but I can't take it home with me today, but that's okay. I just really want to be able to look at this bag before I purchase it because I can really tell that this is going to be one of those that I need to see in person. So yeah, the bag is going to be the Slouchy MM. It comes in the PM size as well, but I think that I'm going to go towards the MM just because the pictures that I've seen and the dimensions that I've seen, I think the MM will fit my lifestyle better. I did bring my Never Full MM to compare the bag with this one, and a big reason why I'm so drawn to this bag, I've mentioned in previous videos that I'm really only trying to get bags, add bags to my collection that are different from my other bags, and that's pretty hard to do. And you know what, you guys, I cannot believe I'm admitting this, but I do not own a hobo bag. Not a Louis Vuitton hobo bag, not a YSL hobo bag, not any type of hobo bag that's luxury. And I did own the Delightful in the past, and that was a great bag, but the biggest thing that I did not like about that bag, and the reason why I sold that bag, is because every time I would set down that gorgeous bag, it would just literally flop over. And a huge thing that this bag offers that I did see is the fact that it has a shaped bottom, which is basically going to hopefully mean that it's not going to fall over when you go to set it down. So I'm going to go into the mall right now. I actually called, this is a great thing. If you ever see a bag or a piece is available at a department store, not a freestanding Louis Vuitton boutique store, but an actual department store, you can call the department store, ask to be transferred to Louis Vuitton, and actually speak to a live person. That's pretty much impossible to do with a freestanding store, and I think a lot of you guys know how that works when you call client services, or when you, or I should say, when you call the number that you see for a specific freestanding Louis Vuitton boutique store, you're going to get referenced out to client services, and that's really just not going to do much for you, because if you're interested in a piece, all they're going to do is email the store, and you know, so many people are looking at these pieces, the chances of them even calling you back can be quite nil. So that's a good thing to know. Please note that if you're ever interested in a piece and you're checking store inventory on the Louis Vuitton website, that most likely, if it is at a department store, no, pretty much 100% of the time, if it's at a department store, you'll be able to actually get in contact with the store and ask them. You can even ask them for pictures of the piece that you're interested in. I've literally ordered so many pieces that way. It really is a great thing, and something that's really helped me out in the past with certain bags, certain pieces that I've wanted to get. So let's go inside, you guys. Let the fun begin. I always love days like this. What can I say? I know you guys know how I feel. You would feel like me too. The only thing is, I'm hoping that I really love the piece, because if I don't love the bag, it's just not going to come home with me. It is what it is. But hopefully, maybe, just maybe, I'll find something else that I like. But I have to mention this too. I cannot wait for the release of that Speedy 20 in reverse monogram. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. And that's just one bag. I feel like if I look at it in person, it's going to be outstandingly, amazingly beautiful. That official release date, a sales associate did tell me, is going to be November 5th. So we have a little bit of ways to wait for that. And yeah, so the main reason I'm here basically is because I found a bag that is very different from all of the other bags in my collection, and I'm hoping it works out. So enough talking, let's get into the store and go try this bag on. I want to mention to you guys really quick, I'm almost there, but these sunglasses, I mention them all the time on my Instagram channel, just because they're so amazing. I own like 4 or 5 other pairs of Louis Vuitton sunglasses, but I always go back to these because I can wear them in and out of stores, because if you can see right over there, it goes to the outdoor area, and then I don't have to take my sunglasses on and off, so they're amazing. So anyways, you guys, I am at the Louis Vuitton in Bloomingdale, as you can see right there. Let's go inside. Here is the bag that I came to see. Again, the MM size. There is a PM, slightly smaller, and there is a D-ring where the luggage tag and padlock would go. The strap is not adjustable, but I am loving, again, loving the strap top length. I brought my Neverfull You guys can see it's slightly larger than the size. And here I have it tried on, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Again, that strap top length is perfect. And then I'm loving the bottom of this bag because it will not slouch over when you set it down. Let's fast forward. It's day 2, August 30th. Sorry about the lighting, you guys. I'm in a parked garage at the mall, but I came back today because basically I tried on that Slouchy bag, and I have a lot of things to say about that bag. Yes, I do, especially coming from somebody that's very picky about purchases that I'm making from Louis Vuitton. Now, yesterday when I was in there, the manager was very kind, and he pulled out a bag that's a new release. It's being released today, although I did not see it on the Louis Vuitton website. It will be soon released on the Louis Vuitton website. You know, I had seen a picture of it on Instagram. Someone had showed it. And how can I emphasize enough how much I go back to how it's very easy to look at a picture of a bag and just judge the bag and say, this bag is just not for me. There's just no way. And your immediate thought is, no way. I'm not going to like this bag. And so the manager was very kind. He's like, oh, this is going to be released tomorrow. And he's like, can I show it to you? And I was just, you know, I just thought to myself, no, automatically, I'm not interested, but okay, you know. And I looked at it, and it was cute. And then I was like, well, maybe I should try it on. Okay, I guess I'll try it on. And when I tried it on, you guys, yeah, we had a problem there because, well, it wasn't a problem. It was a good problem because I really don't have anything like this in my collection. Long story short, that bag is being released today, and I don't even think I could have paid for it yesterday. I'm not too sure, but they held it for me. So that is why I'm here. I'm also here to pick up something else. I think you guys have an idea. So I'm really excited about it. And also, there's a pair of earrings that is released today, August 30th. They're the Louise earrings, and they're a monogram texture. I do believe like a canvas with golds. And I'm a big fan of the Louise earrings because I own them in the gold, in the silver, and this one, I really love hoops. So these ones really drew me in, and the price point was pretty good too. So we'll see if they happen to have that in store. So why don't I just stop talking right now, because I could go on and on about, you know, what I see in the stores and just the entire Louis Vuitton topic. I'm going to go in right now, see what happens outside of what I'm interested in, and I'm very, very excited to try on that other bag that I was referencing before, and very, very excited to get these unboxings out to you guys because I feel very passionately about what I am getting. So let's go inside, you guys. It should be fun. So here is a Bichette Matisse backpack, and I can't let you guys know if I purchased this. You'll see in the upcoming unboxing haul, but I will say this, it's amazing. I am very impressed with it. I love the fact, if you're familiar with the Vanity Pouch or the Vanity PM, those straps are very similar to the chain strap that comes with those bags. Love the gold interwoven into the leather, and the leather at the very bottom right there. Very carefree bag. As you guys can see, I am back home now. That was amazing, let me tell you. And I have the proof to show you. I cannot wait to do these unboxings. And the reason why is basically just because I cannot wait to show you what I got. And I was actually, I'll just let you know, I got 2 bags, and I was able to get something else that was released today. Let me just tell you this. It takes a lot for me to be very, very impressed with items, just because, humbly say, I know I say it a lot, but I do own quite a bit with Louis Vuitton. So for me to be this impressed with what I purchased, each of those items, I can't wait to show you the unboxings. And I cannot wait to, I'll do my best to do reviews with the unboxings, but I cannot wait to do detailed reviews as well. And those will definitely be coming up very, very soon because you guys need to know what I'm talking about. Yes, you do. So thank you so much for coming along with me. And yay, you guys, unboxing is definitely coming up soon. Thanks so much for watching.